Behind the design, out-toeing Gaitplate. This client needed a custom orthotic to address habitual out-toeing. Successful treatment-directed testing was completed prior to prescription with a flat polypropylene Gaitplate. The aim of this orthotic was to promote a rotational change in gait pattern. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotics service. They selected an out-toeing Gaitplate in the shell-shaped section of the digital corrections section on the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include an extension of the front edge of the orthotic shell past the first MPJ at an angle to finish behind the fifth MPJ. The length of the Gaitplate is prescribed by the practitioner based on the angulation change required. Length of Gaitplate can be indicated using the instructions section, marked on the cast or scan, or marked on a template. Orthotip. Treatment-directed testing of this orthotic prescription variable is recommended. A Gaitplate is a noxious stimulus that acts to change habitual pattern by making usual function or gait pattern feel uncomfortable. Care must be taken in the appropriate prescription of this orthotic shell shape. A Gaitplate can be adjusted or removed with a grinder. For more information on DOLA Orthotics, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Access our DOLA custom manual at dolaorthotics.com.